everyone. Say hello. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make a coaster using polymer clay. But before moving to that video, if you like this video, give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down there below. So let's get started. To make this coaster, you need Fevicryl, mouldit, AIRDRYCLay, a cardboard or a paper, a roller, gold paint, black paint or black color marker, brush, white paint and a knife. At first, take out the clay. There is two things over there. One is hardener and one is resin base. So take out this two mixture and mix it. Mix this two mixture properly and create a dough. Once the mixture is ready, now take a roller, or I am using balloon over here to flatten the dough. Draw a shape according to yourself. Cut it out. Here I am cutting out a cup shape. Now take the shape and cut out the clay. Take some water and smooth the clay. So the clay is completely dried. Now let's paint it. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.